How to send self-destructing photo on Telegram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Telegram application on your device and select on the chat that you want to send the self-destructing photo to. So as you do that, you can see the attachment option over here beside the message box over here. So tap on it. And as you do that, you can select any sort of media over here. I'm going to tap on that, and as you send it, it will go directly like that. But if you want to send the self-destructing photo, what you have to do is simply tap on it and tap on it again. And as you do that, you can make necessary edits over here in this picture. Next, in order to send the self-destructing photo, tap on this timer over here at the very bottom. So tap on this button and you'll be able to see different options related to choose how long the media will be kept after the opening. So you can select either 3 seconds or 5 seconds, 10 seconds according to your preference, and then tap on send. Now as you send the self-destructing photo, it will be specified like this over here. So you'll know this is a self-destructing photo. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.